Hey guys, today we'll be doing how to make pastries bakery items. But first, of course, we'll be doing cupcakes. So yeah, when you have clicked the tray, go over to the fridge and click cupcakes because we're making those. Then click the flavor you want. Then you're going to bring it over to the oven. Then you're going to click E. Yes, E, so you can bake it. As you see, I'm having a hard. And now I'm going to tell you how to put the icing on it. To put icing on, go behind the oven, and then where it says cupcakes, click E on top of the icing. Then just click any icing you want. And I chose Oreo. And yeah, that's how you make cupcakes. Next item we're going to be making is milkshakes. So you're going to go over to the milkshake stand and you're going to click one of the cups. It can be regular or large. When you did that, go over to the fridge and then you're going to click milk because that's what we need to make the milkshake. Then of course go back to the milkshake stand. Then you're going to click E for the flavor. I chose strawberry. And then you're going to unequip your milkshake that's not done yet. And you're going to press the blender. We are making cake pops for the last item. And so you have to do, click the tray and then click the fridge. Click cake pops on the second one and then pick your flavor. Go to the oven and bake it. Then go to the icing next to the cupcakes. And then click E. Sorry for the guy cleaning the floor. And then click your icing. And then easy. That's how you make all the 3 important items. And bye guys.